Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will start new block 4, helping one another. And we will study topic 1 today. Before that, let's revise what we have studied in previous class. We have studied about science and ancient India and how people contributed in ancient India used their environment to make contribution in science and medicine. So ancient Indians used their environment and contributed in the fields of science and medicine. And what about Ayurveda? Indian system of medicine is known as Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, people make medicines with plants and herbs. And what about Sushruta? He was the world's first surgeon. He found many methods for many surgical methods or methods of operating eyes and other parts of the body. So Sushruta wrote many books about the methods of operating eyes and other parts of the body. And what he used from the environment? Things like sticks. He used from the environment. Sticks, plants and medicinal herbs. Next, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the famous mathematician and astronomer in ancient India. He wrote a book on mathematics and astronomy. Astronomy means study of celestial bodies like sun, moon and stars. And Aryabhatta wrote books on mathematics and astronomy. And the Indian government honored Aryabhatta by naming its first satellite that was launched in 1975 after his name. And why do you think some people prefer Ayurveda to Western medicines? So some people prefer Ayurveda to Western medicines because Ayurveda has less side effects than Western medicines. That's why some people prefer Ayurveda and not Western medicines. But we cannot say Ayurveda is good and Western medicine is not good, or Western medicine is more good and Ayurveda is not good, because both are different system of curing people. And we should not compare them. They both are good in their own way and both have some good and bad effects. Here are some keywords for today's topic. Polite means showing respect to others or having someone who have good manners to treat others. And bury the hatchet means make peace or to stop arguing or fighting. When someone says bury the hatchet means you should understand that you should stop arguing or fighting. Bury the hatchet. Considerate means a person who thinks about others. So considerate means thinking about others. Means a person who think about others more and put efforts to solve others' problems and to help others. Now answer that how do you feel when you are sick and how do you want to be treated when you are sick? Think and answer. We feel weak and tired when we are sick, and how do you want to be treated? We want someone to take care of us when we are sick. And imagine if you are alone at home and you are sick, what will you do? How will you take care of yourself? So when we are alone, we will ask for help from our neighbors. Yes or no? Yes. And similarly, we do for them when they are sick, because we all are dependent on each other. In a neighborhood, we all are dependent on each other. And would you ask for help from a neighbor who is rude and disrespectful? No. everyone like good neighbors who can make them feel comfortable, who can understand them, and not the one who is rude. And how you can be a good neighbor, we will learn this today. In today's class, we will learn how to be a good neighbor. Okay? This is your topic for today, being a good neighbor. Write topic name with date in good handwriting, and in new page write blog name also. Start new blog in good handwriting. This is our aim for today, to be able to identify the characteristics of a good neighbor, characteristics or qualities of a good neighbor. Now, activity time. What you need to do is, I will give you some situations, okay? And please sit with your partner. You need to pretend that your partner is your neighbor. You can use your siblings or your parents as your partner and pretend that they are your neighbor. And you need to write how you can be a good neighbor in the given situations. Situations are: you are having a dance party with loud music and your neighbors are sick. Okay, you need to imagine that your neighbor is sick and you are having a dance party with loud music. You need to write how you can be a good neighbor in the given situation, in these situations. Pause the video, do this, write what you do in the given situations and answer these questions. Questions are: what can you do to not disturb your neighbors while having a party with loud music? How can you help your neighbors if he or she is sick? Think and answer. What will you do? So, we can reduce the volume of music during the party to not disturb our neighbors. And we can offer to call a doctor to check on our neighbors if he or she is sick, or take food and snacks for him. And we can also help him or her in their work. And we should also help our family members if they are sick. We can help them in household chores, in their office work, if we are able to do. So what we can do to be a good neighbor: we can reduce the volume of music during the party. We can offer to call a doctor to check on our neighbor and if he or she is sick, or we can also offer them to take food and snacks, and we can help him or her in their work. Now answer, who is a good neighbor? What do you think a good neighbor should do or be like? Who is a good neighbor? What do you think a good neighbor should do or be like? A good neighbor is someone who thinks and cares about other, means considerate. This is a quality of a neighbor, considerate. And who thinks and cares about other people living around him or her, and not just about herself or himself. A good neighbor is always polite, helpful, patient, and respects other people and their ideas. And patient means a person who is able to stay calm and quiet and not get angry easy when they are in a difficult situation. So what are the qualities of a good neighbor? Polite, respectful, helpful, and patient. How can I get a better relationship with my neighbors? Be friendly, step out of your comfort zone, break the ice and get to your neighbors. Give a small gift. Express your gratitude with a token of appreciation in the form of a small gift, especially during festive seasons. And what is gratitude? Gratitude means when you feel happy with what others do for you, means when someone help you and you feel happy and you want to say them thanks. So this is gratitude, expressing your gratitude. Express your gratitude with a token of appreciation in the form of a small gift, especially during festive seasons. Apologize if you did something wrong. Bury the hatchet if your neighbors apologized for their mistakes. And be considerate, be mindful that your actions might affect others. Okay, so don't do such things that can harm others. Don't hurt others with your actions. Help one another out. Lend a helping hand if you see your neighbors needing help. In this way, we can be a good neighbor. And we can make them happy and cheerful just by visiting them and make them forget their worries. In this way, we can be a good neighbor. Now answer that why do you think we should be nice to our neighbors? Why it is good to nice to our neighbors? What's the answer? Why we should be nice to our neighbors? So, all of us have to live in a neighborhood. What is a neighborhood? Neighborhood is an area surrounded by people living in different houses. So all of us have to live in a neighborhood with people around us. If we are nice to our neighbors, they will be nice to us too. Similarly, if we help our neighbors, they will help us too when we need it. So we are dependent on each other. We have to live with people around us. So we have to live with the people. So if they are not nice to others or we are not nice to them, so the environment will be stressful and there will be no peace. So it is good to be nice to our neighbors, and so that we can get help on time of need. And if we are nice, they will be nice with us too. That's why we should be nice to our neighbors. And when people are sick, they are not only physically sick, they are also depressed and sad. Be helpful, friendly and cheerful to your neighbor. So we should take care that people around us or our neighbors should not be depressed or sad with our actions. And be helpful, friendly and cheerful to your neighbor. Now answer, what will happen if we are not good neighbors? What's the answer? What will happen if we are not good neighbors? If we are not good neighbors, we can create a stressful environment for others. We cannot get help in need if we are not good neighbors. No one would like to sit, talk and spend time with us. And we have to live alone. And it would be quite boring. Others cannot lead a quieter and peaceful life because of us. That's why we should be a good neighbor and others should also. And this is your bonus question of the day. Which one is not a quality of a good neighbor? After watching the video, complete your work. First, you have to read the section Being a Good Neighbor and then finish your S1 and do PQ1 and 2. This is your S1. Tick the correct statement. A neighbor is someone who goes to school with us. A neighbor is someone who stays with us in our house. A neighbor is someone who lives nearby. Question 2. What do you think Meera and Arun should do as good neighbors in the given situations? Meera's neighbor has high fever and needs medicine from the shop downstairs. Arun and his friends are making a noise in the afternoon when everyone is resting. So what do you think Meera and Arun should do as good neighbors in the given situations? Question 3. Sohan is rude and bullies the children in his neighborhood. When he goes out to play in the evening, no one wants to play with him. Do you think people in the neighborhood will like him? What do you think? They will like him or hate him? Give one reason. And what we have studied today? We have studied that a good neighbor is someone who thinks and cares about other people living around him or her. Means considerate. Qualities of a neighbor: being polite, respectful, helpful, patient, and considerate means who think about others more than him or her. And if we are not good neighbors, we can make others sad, stressful, and we can create problems for them. No one will help us in time of need, and no one will like us, no one will like to talk to us. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless. Complete your work properly and comment your doubt.